Enterprise precision, real-time decisions with Veil ERP, a unified ERP software for every industry. 33 integrated, powerful modules designed for key industries, including service, trading, healthcare, manufacturing and FMCG, automobile, retail, education, and hospitality, business operations and finance. Empower operations with an efficient finance and accounting and human resource management software. Manage various processes with the inventory, procurement, and warehouse management software. Customers and sales management. Lead customer relationship management, sales management, point of sales, and feedback management software to connect better with your customers. Project and workflow management. Plan, organize, track, and manage with a systematic project, workflow, and document management software. Maintain compliance with CTR and an advanced learning management software. Quality, tracking, and reporting. Ensure excellence with a compliant quality management software, asset tagging and tracking software, and streamline processes through a systematic online reporting portal. Service operations and maintenance with Veil Annual Maintenance Contract Management Software, redefining smart contract management, automated renewals, and real-time field visibility, making every maintenance commitment proficient. Trading and supply chain solutions. Veil ERP unifies trading, logistics, supply chain, and B2B commerce into one seamless ecosystem, streamlining deals, moving goods smarter, and connecting partners effortlessly. Healthcare operations and clinical services. Streamline hospital and healthcare workflows, integrating patient services, clinical operations, and administrative processes into a unified, efficient platform. Manufacturing operations and quality. Veil ERP's material requirement planning and quality lab solutions bring precision to production planning, material control, and quality checks, helping teams deliver faster output with consistent compliance. Automotive dealership and customer experience solutions. Veil ERP DMS and test drive tools optimize inventory, customer engagement, and scheduling, creating a seamless sales experience. Retail planning and in-store operations. Retailers gain full visibility from merchandising to point of sales, streamlining store operations and optimizing assortments to enhance the overall shopping journey. Education operations and administration. With Veil Education Management Software, automate students' records, simplify academic administration, and enhance collaboration between faculty, learners, and management. Hospitality operations and services. In hospitality, Veil ERP unifies food and beverage management, housekeeping and event bookings, ensuring smooth operations and memorable guest experiences. Strategic oversight with just one click. While they chase errors, you can forecast futures. Numbers that speak louder than promises. One decision, zero regrets. From back-end bottlenecks to real-time insights, Veil ERP, built for every industry. Ready for yours? Book a free demo today.